In a world filled with noise, we seek the voice of the heart. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the Sufi family. Sometime the soul longs for silence, not the silence of emptiness, but the kind filled with bird song, rustling leaves, and the soft whisper of the wind across water. This day we journeyed into nature, to a hidden gem beyond the city, Parc National of Mont-Saint-Bruno, a place where time slows down, where tall pines stand like guardians and every trail invites you to breathe just a little deeper. Here in this sacred silent place, you remember you belong to the art, to the moment, to yourself. Parc Saint-Bruno, not just a destination, a return to what truly matters.